ಈಗ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಾಸದೆ ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್. ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ yes okay 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 yes now to start the unit number 3. Now to start the unit number 3 chapter number 8. The name of the chapter human health and diseases. Yes, I want to remind you student, okay, one of the article that name of the article is health is okay here health and disease. Related to the health and disease, there is a health is a wealth. Article health is a wealth. Health is a wealth. Health is a wealth. If we have a good health, it is possible. Okay, it is possible to earn the money. If we lose the health, then it is not possible, okay, to earn the money. Hence, one of the related to the air health is a health wealth. Then necessary to concentrate with the definition of health and disease. Yes, according to the Hippocrates and example, different kinds of a fluid. For example, here fluid present in our body like blood, lymph, then next etc. For example, then we concentrate toward the bile. Bile is a juice secreted by okay pancreas, and it is stored in a gallbladder. Then, sir, what is the function of a bile? Okay, so bile do not contains any enzyme. Bile do not contains here any enzyme, but it contains salts and different kinds of pigment. According to the opinion of one of the scientists, for example, the person belonging to heart personality, and he possesses a here bile, or he contains a bile that is a black colored. Okay, in a NCRT, instead of fluid, the term is given, that name of the terminology is called as a humor. Okay, there is a good humor. Black bile, the person belonging to hot personality and contains a black bile. Black bile, but one of the good humor hypothesis disproved by a name of the scientist. His name is Hippocrates. Okay, the person belonging to hot personality and contains a black bile, but here his body temperature is normal. Normal means approximately 37 degrees Celsius. Means here the fluid or humor, what type of humor according to the Hippocrates? Okay, the person contains a good humor. Okay, example like a black bile. Next, according to the opinion of other scientist, okay, for example, the black bile containing person, okay, suffering from the disease, but it is disproved by, there is a here Hippocrates. How he disproved means, the person containing black bile and body temperature is normal, means never suffering here health and which are okay here help in a good health. For example, there is a immemorial. So immemorial, sir, which is a immemorial, there is a immemorial, there is a example, there is here yoga. Yoga is the one of the best here method. Okay, it help in maintaining, there is a good health. Yoga, and not only yoga, along with yoga there is a exercise. Here exercise, all these are the ways they are helping maintaining the good health condition. Okay, now along with these yoga and exercise, necessary to concentrate toward the diet. Okay, and here it include, there is a personal hygiene and public hygiene. Okay, public hygiene, these are the ways they are helping maintaining the good health. If you fail to maintaining the good health, you are means avoid, there is a exercise, yoga, and you are not concentrate on diet 100%, it is not possible to maintain the good health condition. For example, just now when we concentrate toward the just present here situation, there is a number of peoples, so immediately there is a suffering from the viral infection. That most dangerous virus is a COVID-19. Sir, when it is possible to avoid there is a diseases, means yoga, exercise and other practices, they are helping maintaining the good health condition. Okay, so let us concentrate toward the, so first in this chapter, definition of a health, and later definition of a diseases. Okay, so definition of health, how you say the definition of health? There is a here example here physically and mentally and socially well-being. It is here referred as a definition of a Health means, okay, he is physically fit, not only physically fit, and he is, okay, also, okay, here mentally fit and socially well-being. Okay, here these three words, okay, combinedly gives the definition of a health. For example, so that person is not a physically fit, means, okay, he is suffering from the disease. Okay, either maybe not only physically fit, okay, he is also mentally weak, and then, okay, he is suffering from the disease. Then, okay, here when we move toward the disease, so, okay, there is no particular definition related to the disease. Okay, so disease means fail to maintain there is a physically, mentally, and not socially well-being. Variation in a variation in a variation in there is a body functions. Variation in a body function in such a cases, for example, best method, so, okay, our best example is, okay, it is not possible to maintain the normal body temperature. Normal body temperature. Okay, sir, in which cases it is not possible to maintain the normal body temperature? Variation in a body function, either maybe, okay, variation in a digestion, or maybe variation in a circulation, or maybe variation in a other functions of our body, then it indicates 100% we are suffering from the diseases. Okay, in this chapter that is a main, okay, here main content is here the different types of diseases, okay, caused by the pathogens present in a nature. Sir, which are the, okay, here agents, or which are the, okay, pathogens causes diseases? Example here, pathogen. This is disposing, okay, agents, or, okay, instead of agent, okay, you will take that here there is a germs. Okay, those germs causes diseases, they are called as a pathogen. Okay, the pathogen, okay, either maybe smallest pathogen, okay, for example here mycoplasma. The pathogen may be belonging to the mycoplasma category, or the pathogen may be belonging to there is a bacteria, or maybe the pathogen belonging to there is a fungi, or the pathogen may be belonging to there is a protozoan category, or the pathogen may be belonging to there is a viruses. Or, and even though, okay, in PUC first year, one more there is a without, okay, so containing there is a any, there means there is a example genetic material that is referred as a okay, protein particle, but this particle is capable to causes a disease. Okay, so that is a infectious protein particle, so that is called as a here infectious, okay, here proteinous particle, that is also capable to causes a diseases. All they are belonging to there is a pathogen category. Pathogen may be mycoplasma. Once again I want to remind you, pathogen may be belonging to either maybe mycoplasma category, bacteria, or maybe fungi, protozoa, viruses, protein particle, etc. All they are best example to there is a pathogen. In this chapter there is a different types of diseases, okay, caused by there is different types of pathogen. Before enter the detailed study of different, okay, here types of diseases caused by there is different type of pathogen. So let us, okay, concentrate toward the diseases are mainly categorized into two different categories, or two different okay, groups, are that are classification of diseases. The diseases are mainly classified and arranged in two category or two group here. That first group is called as a communicable diseases. Communicable, okay, diseases. They are also called as communicable diseases, they are also called as infectious diseases. Infectious, infectious, infectious diseases are, even though they are also called as transmissible diseases. Transmissible diseases. And second in category are second, okay, here non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases, they are also called as non-infectious diseases. Non-infectious diseases are, even though they are also called as non-transmissible diseases here. The diseases mainly two categories. When we concentrate toward the communicable diseases, sir, okay, how you say the definition of communicable diseases are infectious or transmissible diseases? Okay, those diseases easily transmitted from one person to another. When we taken their example communicable, those diseases are, okay, easily transmitted from one person to another. One person to another. Such diseases are called as communicable diseases, or even though another way they are called as infectious or transmissible diseases. So along with, okay, definition, sir, give me one or two best example to the communicable diseases. Example, communicable diseases, maybe example, there is a common cold. Common cold. Sir, common cold is one of the best example to the communicable diseases. Sir, please name the, okay, pathogen, which pathogen causes a common cold. For example, this is a viral disease. Okay, already taken here. Virus is one of the pathogen. Okay, it is also capable to causes different types of diseases. Example, a common cold. Along with common cold, there is a here. Next is a typhoid. Typhoid. Typhoid is that is also been to the infectious or transmissible or communicable diseases. Sir, typhoid, okay, here is a name of the disease caused by which pathogen? Okay, the pathogen, okay, here belonging to the bacterial category. And next, one more example, there is a pneumonia. Pneumonia is a one more here disease, okay, caused by, there is a bacteria. Okay, here this is a pathogen belonging to bacterial category. See, these are the few example to the communicable diseases. And next, okay, move toward the non-communicable diseases. Second, sir, how you say the definition of a non-communicable disease? Those diseases are not transmitted from one person to another, not transmissible. So non-communicable diseases, in another way, they are also called as a non-infectious or non-transmissible diseases. Transmissible diseases. Okay, these diseases are not easily, okay, spread from one person to another. So such diseases are, okay, found in a individually. Example, sir, give me one of the best example to, there is a here non-communicable or non-infectious, okay, or non-transmissible. For example, there is a best example is a cancer. There is a one more, okay, here disease, it is not a cancer. Then move towards this. Already totally three examples are mentioned here. These are, okay, belonging to, there is a communicable category, or maybe here transmissible category, or maybe infectious category. So let us, okay, here, sir, totally how many diseases are related to our syllabus? Totally 8 diseases related to, okay, our study. Few diseases belonging to, there is a communicable category, and other few diseases belonging to the non-communicable category. Then Okay, necessary to here. Example I mentioned is already taken. For example, bacteria. Totally 8 diseases related to our syllabus. 8 diseases related to our syllabus. Okay. For example, among the 8 diseases, first, okay, here, the diseases caused by one of the pathogen is a bacteria. Then second, okay, here, pathogen, second pathogen, okay, name of the pathogen is, okay, protozoa. And then third pathogen, okay, so belonging to there is a nematoda. Nematodes are nematoda. Then okay, next is a next pathogen is a virus. Okay, here. So totally these are the 4 different types of pathogens. Okay, here causes different types of disease. Example, when we concentrate toward the along with bacteria, protozoa, nematoda, virus, and one more pathogen, that name of the pathogen is called as a fungi or fungi. Then move toward the bacterial. Name the, okay, so among the 8, okay, how many bacterial diseases related to our study means 2. Okay, example, first is typhoid. First, okay, here already taken typhoid, it belonging to the communicable, okay, disease. This disease is caused by, there is a bacteria. And along with the typhoid, then one more, okay, here disease caused by, there is a bacteria in human being is a pneumonia. These are the 2, okay, bacterial diseases related to our study. Along with the 2 bacterial diseases, okay, here another 2 diseases caused by one more pathogen, that is called as protozoa or protozoan disease. One of the one disease, okay, here in human being is malaria. Malaria. Then it is followed by second disease caused by protozoan. Okay, is the name of the disease is called as amoebiasis, or it is also called amoebiasis here. Amoebiasis is a second disease. Totally 4 disease. That first 2 disease caused by, okay, pathogen. Name of the pathogen is a bacteria. So name of the diseases typhoid and pneumonia. Already taken here, typhoid and pneumonia. These 2 diseases caused by a bacteria.